Hi guys, so I'm gonna so this is my mom's phone, but I have the same accounts as in my phone, so this is my phone. Wait, there's my phone and it's low bat. Look, see, I cannot turn it on. So and I have all of these. This one. And I know that I love Labubu, but this is that the Labubu is inside. This look like Taba squishy. Look, I'm gonna start with over here. This one. Oh, I got a duck, but it's not sticky because it have baby powder in it.
Burger lang ako.
And so I'm gonna open. Close this and I'll put it over here in my box. And now let's start with this one now. There we go. Ooh, look, it's so cute. Mama, iputan ko din sa ako, mama, kaya magsayo ko Mary. Mary. Put this over here. And now, only 4 left. This color. What should I get color next? Write down below. What's your favorite color?